see the cars go slow because it was start snow blizzard out there early this morning. A lot of people go to work, go to program, to go to school. It was over snow early this morning. Over snow. It was that over snow at the neighborhood in Brooklyn. It was that over snow in the morning. With snow, started to snow blizzard early this morning. See those snow over, as you can see, snow over, snow in the neighborhood in Brownsville, Brooklyn. For snow, it was over snow on the baseball ground. A lot of people get to go to work, go to program, go to school. Parents take they send children to school in the morning. It was enough time. Goodbye. Good morning. Peace. Goodbye. Peace.